Welcome back to my channel Technical Tutorials, and in this video we will see how to import the existing database in the XAMPP server in the MySQL XAMPP server, and also we will see how to export the database from the XAMPP to your desktop. So let's start. First we will install the XAMPP server. So let's start. First open your favorite browser and search for XAMPP and just hit enter. Now you will get the official website for the XAMPP. It is from the Apache. So this is the link. We just need to click on this link and it will move to this page where we have the download option for the multiple operating systems like with Windows, Linux and the macOS. So we are going to install it for the Windows operating system. So we'll click on the Windows, and with the XAMPP Apache, it is giving us the MariaDB, PHP and Perl, and as well as the latest version is 1.2.12. So let's click on this. And it will start automatically downloading. If it's not started downloading, you can just click here. We have the link on the click here text, so you can just click on this and it will start downloading. So it is an 150 MB file, so let's wait till this downloading complete, then we'll see how to install it and how to create the database using XAMPP. So we have completed the download. Now let's install it. So it is an exe file, so we just need to open it and click on yes to allow your system to install it. Now you will get this welcome window. Here we need to click on the next button. Now this is the all components which XAMPP server will give us. It is the MySQL. Then we have the server FTP server, then mail server, Tomcat, the Perl. Then we have phpMyAdmin, and these all components it will give us. Now click on the next button. So this is the path where your all XAMPP files will be stored. By default, the path should be this only, so don't change this path, keep it as it is. In C drive, we have the XAMPP folder. Then click on the next button. The language we are selecting is the English only. Then click on next, and it will start installing. So we have completed the installation process. Let's click on the finish. And now we have to go to the start. So this Apache control panel is open automatically, but if not, you can go to the start and you can search for the XAMPP and it will show the control panel. So we just need to open it. Now to create the database, we have to start two servers. First one is Apache server. So we just need to click on the start and it will show its port number and this. And next one we have to start the MySQL server as well. So the port will display once it is started. After started, you just need to close this window. Now let's see the database first to import. So I have this MySQL sample database. So let's open it. So it is an SQL file. Now let's open it into the notepad so it will easy to us to check. So my database name is the classic modules, and I'm using this database to create a multiple tables like product line, product, employees, offices, customers, payments, orders, and order details. So first we have created this product line database, which is having a product line, then the test description. So this is the uh, columns in my table. Then second is the product database, which is consist product code, product name, product line, product scale, vendor description, in stock, and the buy price. Then next we have the offices. For that we have the office code, city, phone number, address 1, address 2, then state, country, postal code, then territory. So this is the database I have with me, and I just want to import that this database into my MySQL XAMPP server. So what I'll do, I'll go to my Chrome browser, and here I'll search the localhost and just hit enter. Then you will navigate to this phpMyAdmin page where we have to click on the phpMyAdmin. So it will navigate us to the MySQL database. So this page we will get. Now at the left side you can see your database. So our database name is classic models, and currently this database is not available in the my list, if you can see. Now to import the existing database, here we have the import option. What we'll do, we'll just click on the import. Now here we have to select our file. So my file is saved on the desktop. Let me show you. So this is the file on the desktop, mysql.extension. Now we have to import it. So what we need to click on the choose file. Now let's go to the desktop. Here I have my database file name, and this is the my file. I'll just select this file and click on open. And we need to scroll down and click on the import button. So it will import all the tables from that file, SQL file, to this localhost MySQL. So you can see import has been successfully finished and 26 queries has been executed, and our database is also added in the list. So what we have did, we have just import this database with the particular, like we have the different tables with it. So we have import it. Now let's see the table. So first, so we have classic modules as a database, and in file you can see our table names are product line, products, offices, employees, customers, payments, orders, and order details. And the same details it is displayed in my classic model database with these tables. So let's see the table. Let's open one table, and which is contain the indexes, then the employee table, columns which we have. So in employee table, we have column like email, employee number, extension, first name, job title, last name, office code, and reports. And same we can see in my database, that is employee number, last name, first name, extension, email, then office code. The same which is displayed in my database, the same data is available in file. So in this way you can import this database from your desktop to the XAMPP server. Now the same database we have to export. So this is my classic database, and I want to export it into my desktop. So what I'll do, I'll just select this database, and here we have the export option. So I'll click on the export. Now we have to select the template, then create template as a text. So template was created. Now let's select our template from here, drop down, and click on the update. So the template is updated. Now we have to click on the export. So click on export and our database is downloaded. You can see my classic MySQL database is download. Let's see in download folder. So you can see here, let's open it. It is going to here. Let's open it into notepad so it is easy to understand. So you can see this database we have imported the classic database from the in this way you can export the database. Let's try the other database which we have. So I have this employees database. So to import, I'll just select this employees database. I'll go to the import. Now I'll create the file as a text1. Create a template as a text1. Then create. So template is created. Now let's select it. Text1 template I have created. The template is loaded. Now update it and just click on the export button and it will download automatically. So in downloads you can see the employees database. So here we have two tables, employee details and project details. Let's see the same in the file. So this database, let's open it into notepad. If you scroll bit, you can see employee details database and project details database, and the same is displayed in my XAMPP server, employee details and project details. So in this way you can import and export the database in XAMPP server.